Do you find your students are underprepared and feel overwhelmed with subject terminology when they begin their studies? Mastering Anatomy and Physiology is purpose-built to engage students with essential subject concepts and helps develop important scientific skills. Seamlessly integrating with your VLE, this flexible teaching and learning platform supports students learning anatomy and physiology through active, engaging and immersive experiences, all underpinned by quality textbook content from market-leading authors. Among the range of popular titles that feature in Mastering Anatomy and Physiology is the best-selling 12th edition of Human Anatomy and Physiology by leading authors Elaine Marieb and Katja Hearn. Let's take a look at some of the exciting capabilities this and other titles offer to support you and your students. Easily assign homework, quizzes or tests, choosing from a broad variety of question types that encourage your students to participate in active learning. Auto-graded questions provide instant feedback, allowing students to check their understanding and improve their results. Access class performance and easy-to-use diagnostics at a glance via the robust gradebook. Make it easy to see where your students are struggling with key prerequisite skills and need to focus their studies in mastering. Give students 24/7 access to the most widely used lab specimens via this indispensable virtual anatomy study and practice tool. These 12 exercises contain more than 60 easy-to-use laboratory simulation activities that complement or replace wet labs. Help students visualize complex anatomical processes with 3D movie-quality animations. Assign real-world clinical scenarios with follow-up questions to help students better connect their learning with the subject area. Find out how Mastering Anatomy and Physiology could support your module or course.